Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to set up your e-portfolio on Mahara. Okay, I'm here on the Ordinary Moodle page and I'm going to log in with your student number, okay, and password. And when you log in, okay, you'll see. I'll just say yes. You'll see this the Moodle homepage when you are logged in. If you scroll down here, okay, to the just on what you're looking at here is over on the right hand side under the tab Network Servers. You're looking for Mahara DBS. Okay, this is the one I want you to click on. So click on it once. Okay, and it automatically takes you to your Mahara page. I'm just going to make this a little bit smaller so you can see it better. Okay, so it will come in like that. Okay, and you can see a few tabs across the top: dashboard, content, portfolio, and groups. Okay, and you can see here my pages, and more than likely when you log in for the first time there won't be anything here. Okay, what I need you to do is then log on to portfolio. Okay, and from the portfolio page now we're just going to pop in a couple of things. Okay, from here what I want you to do is click on the collections button here. So again, you're in portfolio, come over here to collections and click on collections and you can see there we have no collections yet. I can click on this one here for a new collection, or no collections yet, just add one. Okay, either or will bring me to the same one here, asking me to give it a description. Okay, I'm going to create 3 collections. The first one are 3 folders, if you want to call them that. I'm actually going to do a bit of copying and pasting here, so it'll just speed it up. So my first collection name will be CVs and updates. Okay, and I'll put in a description there. There's no need to put in any tags, and then just click next to edit collection pages. And you can see there I have none yet. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to create the 3 collections, or the 3 folders, okay, and then I'm going to add something to it. Okay, so I'll just click done there. And you can see there I've got a collection, CVs and updates, and you can see here pages none. I've no pages in there yet. Okay, so I'll have a new collection. Okay, and again with this collection I'm going to call it, hang on, sorry, just bear with me there 1 second. I have something here. I'm going to call this one Reflections. Okay, so I'll copy that and paste that in there, and again I'm going to just in the description here I'm going to just say reflections on learning experience. I'll click next and you can see it's processing, done, no pages in it yet. I'll just click done and you can see now I have 2 CV and updates, reflections, and I'm going to make one more. I have them here. Okay, and that's called self-evaluation. So I'll just copy that in here and just add one more, new collection and self-evaluation. Okay, and here I'll just put in the description, goals, values, definitions, etc. Okay, next, and done. Okay, so now in my collections, okay, you can see here that I have I have CVs and updates, reflections, and self-evaluation. Okay, let's say I want to put in a page. Okay, now from here what I could do, I have 2 options here. I'm just going to, if I click on groups, okay, you can see there's no groups there yet. Okay, groups I own, groups I want to join. Okay, we could try searching for groups. Okay, here, and you can see here there's various groups. Okay, so you can see here there's one called MBA Eddie. Okay, MBA Eddie 2014. So again, it will obviously be going into Eddie's group. If you can just in this one, okay, or PPT modules, okay, gateways, okay, so I'll go back here. Here, just let me just go back one. Okay, and you can see here, will I go into MBA Eddie, okay, or Eddie 2014, or Eddie. So I'm just going to check with Eddie first to see if this group is called 2015, and I'll come back to you on that one. Okay, so I'm going to go back to portfolio here, and you can see collections. Okay, sorry, if I go to collections, okay, and again, there's all of the collections. Okay, let's say I want to put a page in. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is create a page. So I'll come over here to pages. Okay, and again, I can search for an existing one, or else I can click on this button to create a page. Okay, and on this one, I'll just call this test. Okay, so test, and the page description, well, this is a test. Okay, I can save this as I'm going along. Okay, and when I save this, it asks me to come in here and edit the content. Okay, so let's look at, first of all, let's look at what layout I have here. So if I click on the layout button, again, do I want it as just one single page at 100%? As you can see here, the default is a 3-column page. It divides the page up into three thirds. Okay, so I can do this any way I like, and again, I would suggest playing around with each one. I'm just going to take this one here, just a blank page here on this one. Okay, and save. Okay, and now I can drag stuff out onto the page. I can drag it out here. You can see there it goes in a text box. Okay, and now it's asking me, okay, what did I say here? Another test. Test. Okay, and just copy that. Okay, and I can paste in this a few times. And again, you can see here I have an editor here where I can make something bold, or okay, I can make something underline, okay, or italic, or I can go in and do stuff with color and font size. So everything is here that I need to create a fairly good looking page. Okay, so again, note here with the font family, I can change that to Comic Sans. I can change the size up to 5 point. So there's a whole load of things I can do with this. Okay, when I'm happy editing the file, alternatively I could have uploaded a file here. Okay, which browse for a file, like let's say something you would have done in Word, Microsoft Word, or something like that. Okay, and once you're happy enough with that, say click save, and you can see there that's how it is. If I displayed the page, that's how it's going to look. Okay, I'll just go back there a second. Again, if I wanted to pop in some journals, journal entries, some media, I could create a folder within a folder, or bring out an image. There's a few things I can actually do. Okay, and once I've done that, I'll hit done at the bottom. Okay, and you can see here I'm now on my pages, and I have a page here which I've called test. Okay, so if I come over here to collections, I can actually, you can see with pages there's none inside each one. So again, let's say I want to put this into reflections. I'll click on the cog icon here, so manage pages. And you can see there's no pages in this one yet. Again, if I had created 20 or 30 pages, they'd all appear here. And I could just click add page. And you can see there that the page is being added there to the collection. And I'll just click done. Okay, and now you can see under reflections, the pages and I've one there called test. And notice under CVs and updates I've none, or self-evaluation I have none either. So again, this is just a little bit of work with Mahara and how we can start to create our e-portfolio. Okay, so I'll just close off this video here, and we'll add another video for to bring it along a little bit further. Okay, thank you for your attention.